Hello everyone, now we are going to discuss the questions of GATE 2018. A four-bar mechanism is made up of link of length 100, 200, 300 and 350 mm. If the 350 mm link is fixed, the number of links can rotate fully. That means we have to calculate what is the mechanisms we are getting from the given situations. It may be double rocker, it may be crank rocker or double rocker. Okay, so we will see it. First we need to draw this arrangement. What is given? It is given that 100, this is first link, this is 200 and this is 300 and this is 350 mm. Okay, so now I have not fixed any link yet. Okay, if the 350 mm link, see this is 100, this is 200 and this is 300 and this is 350 mm link. Okay, that is the given structure according to the questions. So now what is the conditions which is given? If the 350 mm link is fixed, that means if I fix this link, what is the structure we can get? See, if I fix 350 mm link like that, so the next is this, the next link would be 100 mm, okay, and then 200 mm and then 300 mm. Okay, this is the links I get when I fix 350 mm link. This is 350 and next link to 350 is 100 and this is 200 and this is 300. Now you can see the structure. This link is fixed. Now before giving any answer, first you need to check the law is satisfied or not. We all know that the law says that shortest plus longest link length should be less than equal to P plus Q. P plus Q is the length of the other two links and this S is the shortest link and L is the longest link. This is the law. Okay. We have to check whether the law is satisfied or not. Shortest link is basically 100 and longest link is basically 350. So you can see that 100 plus 350 and there will be a 200 plus 300. You can see here this would be 450, okay, and this is 500, so that means it is less than, okay, so that means law is satisfied. So if shortest plus longest link length is less than P plus Q and if you fix any link and the shortest link is next to or adjacent to the fixed link, then we call it as the crank rocker mechanisms. When this type of law is there and you fix the link which is adjacent to the shortest link, or you can say the shortest link is adjacent to fixed, if shortest link is adjacent to fixed, then the mechanisms we got would be crank rocker mechanisms. What is the meaning of crank rocker? Crank rocker means one link is having complete rotation and other having partial rotation. Okay, so in the question it is asking that number of links that can rotate fully. That means one link can rotate fully in these situations. So the answer is 1. So I hope you will understand this solution of that question.